Oh, dude, are you running boost, bro?
Yeah.
Long days, long and nice. You feel? Now I don't even know lately.
I'ma travel boy, stop the grind on.
I'ma do it anyway.
That I got my eyes on.
Put them in the dirt, say it again, man, and that's a reverse. Never rehearse, jumping in first. Call up the nurse, put the beat in the hearse. This is absurd, take a berserk. Don't get on the tracks, man, and they better swerve.
Yo, what's up, bro? Fun to see you, bro.
That's a big
What's going on, man? Finally get to see the scat pack.
Yeah.
What's good, bro?
I still need to clean that.
You traded in what, last year, right? Or like 2 years ago?
Yeah, well, my old one broke.
Yeah.
The engine fucking blew up on me. And then I got this last year.
Yeah.
Gotcha. It's boring
Yo,
already.
what's up,
It's
man?
boring already.
What? Get out of here.
Yeah, 1 year, bro. What's it?
Dude, I have 100,000 kilometers on that thing.
This thing is 75, 76.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, they're still not bad, eh?
No,
Yeah.
but it gets boring, bro.
Oh,
You're
yeah,
like,
what do you want,
more
Hellcat
power.
now?
Yeah. You're like more power.
Yeah, yeah.
It's heavy. They're nice and all, but they're heavy.
Yeah, no, it's good.
Yeah.
What else do you do with this guy?
What else did I do today?
Yeah.
Just muffler lead, intake, bit of stuff,
Yeah.
some interior touches, that's it.
Oh. Yeah, I got caught up in that traffic. I was coming from freaking Hamilton.
Oh shit, you can't remember. I think one guy went to go take a piss.
Yeah.
He's from Hamilton too.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, this guy?
No, there's a white V6.
Oh, yeah, he was right there. Yeah. Where's the rest of the crew at? Just you guys from Toronto?
Yeah, pretty much the BARRIE people right here.
Oh, yeah.
And not a lot of people came out because morning time.
Yeah, that's true.
But if we do it late, then fucking we got hit with traffic.
Yeah.
So I had to do it early this year.
Oh, big time.
Last year.
At least it's gonna be freaking sunny, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The weather's good.
Yeah. Oh, man. Good. Which one? Course Extreme. Yeah, what do you got? The Attack? Yeah. It was either that or the Attack. But if I hear that, we're gonna. Oh, look at that! It's going. Oh, dude, are you running boost, bro? Damn, bro. Damn. Yo, legit, bro. That's so loud.
Not quiet.
Yo, you got it. So you run some boost?
Yeah, I'm running that Pro Charger.
Yep, flow charger.
Pro Charger.
Oh, nice, bro.
Charged.
Did you do the internals?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Fully
you-
forged internals, cab.
Boom.
Catalyst.
Yeah.
Did everything.
Shit.
Fucking fast, man.
Dude. Dude. You have Hellcats run for their money?
640 to the wheel, 768 to the brake.
riding? With that guy.
Four left.
Axle back?
It's the axle back.
Okay.
I'm telling you, the axle back is the way to go.
No, the cat back is the way to go.
Yeah, but then it's gonna drone as loud as
It's gonna
fuck.
yeah.
It's true.
The axle back
Can I hear it?
is loud and
Well, you can get the S type.
Can I hear it?
Yeah. Unless I drive around.
Sure, why not? I got the mic on, so it's all good, bro.
Actually, you know what? I'll rev it here and it's tell me what you think.
Alright.
Yeah.
Nice, bro. Is that the so that's the cat back, eh? Axle back.
The cat back sounds way better.
And you got a lip on this one?
Yeah.
Is that it? Oh yeah. Where'd you pick up that?
They're out in New York.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
So you gotta pay them, order it, pay them in US funds. Oh shit, man. But yeah, Serona.
Nice.
Oh,
Nice.
06 and 07 is the ugly
Oh,
gray
shit.
finish,
Nice.
No screen, no touch screen. I don't know if they're touch screen. Either they want fucking 30, 35. Yeah,
Is that your ride? Cat back? Oh nice. Sounds pretty decent.
Nice.
What kind of lift kit?
6-inch left.
6-inch lift? Yeah. What year is this?
17.
Nice, bro.
Want to hit the exhaust?
Yeah. Let's do it up. Yeah, boy. Nice, bro. And this is good on gas, right?
Yeah, 100%. No, the gel only fills once a week, so it's not that bad.
That's not bad. Uh-oh. I think you started something, bro. Uh-oh. Roll some coal, bro.
What's up, bro?